Seventh one, write a Python program that invokes a function after a specific period of time. Okay, after a specific period of time, we have to execute the function. So we have to execute the function after a specific period of time. Okay, for that you have to use a sleep function. We have to use it, and just I have done this one. You can see here for use sleep here. Just import from the time here, from time import sleep, and also we have to perform some function. So for that import math here. So define function, delay function, and take three parameters. Fn function perform any task in SR seconds, and star args. Okay, so star args nothing but any number of args you can take here. Okay, like list star tuple whatever, singular list star tuple or whatever. Okay, so for that you have to, if you want to take list star tuple, you have to write here star args. Okay, so and you want to execute a function after some seconds, for that you have to mention the parameter, what you have to pass the value here. Okay, how many seconds you have to execute that function. Okay, return this function and arguments here. Okay, function nothing but whatever the perform, if you want to perform square root, you have to write in this parameter here. Okay, just observe here, print delay. We are performing lambda function here. Lambda, argument colon expression, argument and colon expression is given square root of number. Which number? This third parameter number. Okay, this third arguments. Okay, arguments here. Okay, arguments, we are passing this 9 to this math square root, and we will go after 2 seconds here. 2 means seconds here. Okay, this math square root 2 common in our arguments, and function s arguments are parameters of this delay function. Okay, and after 2 seconds it performs square root of this 9, and after 5 seconds it performs square root of this 25 here. Okay, execute it here, simple. After 2 seconds, say 3, and after 5 seconds it execute the 25 here. Okay, so to delay execution of process, you have to use this sleep function here. Okay, and also if you want to perform any tasks, use this delay function and arguments here. Okay, you can use a list, you can also list, also you can use it here, simple. 9 comma 16. Okay, execute it now. Okay, all right. Okay, it's gets error here because we have to convert this args into eval, no, because it list type, it take it, or you can take like without arguments also, without list also you can take like this, like 9 comma 16. Oh yeah, it's tuple here. Oh, lambda take one position argument, but 2 are given. Okay, the square root of x. Okay, take only one argument here. Okay, so that's the problem. So take the single parameter for this one.